What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. So in today's video we're going to be doing our first oil change on the Kia Forte. So this is my 2021 Kia Forte and it's time to change up the oil. So these are the parts that I'm going to be using. I'm going to put all the information in the description below. So this is the filter, PUROLATOR, and then I'm going to be going with the MOBIL 1 full synthetic 5W20. Again, I'll put all of the parts used in this video in the description below. So I warmed up the car a little bit. I had it run for 3 minutes. I put it already on some jacks. We're gonna hop on the underneath of the car, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly where and what I'm gonna be using to take off the bolt and do the oil change. All right, so once you're underneath the car, right there, you're gonna see the oil filter, and then if you continue going back, we came in from the front end. This is the bolt. So you're gonna need a size 17 socket to get this bolt. Put on some gloves if you want to wear some glasses. We're going to attack this bolt to drain all the oil, and then we're going to attack the filter. Alright, so the oil drained. Here's our cap. And we're going to put it back on, tighten it up, and then remove the filter. Alright, so we drained the oil, we put the bolt back on. I cleaned out that area, a little bit of a towel, so we don't have any old oil. So I put this oil cap remover just in case I'm going to need it. I'm going to try to remove it with my hands, but if I am going to need it, I'll use that to remove the oil filter. Alright, so here's our old filter, and it's interesting, it's actually a Hyundai Kia filter. Here's our new one, and here's our oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of oil and put it around the seal, similar to what I did with when I did the oil change on the BMW. And then I'm going to pour a little bit of that oil inside, right there. So again, around the seal, just like that, and then we're going to put it back on. Alright, so once you're finished with underneath your car and you put your filter and you tighten your bolt, clean it up with a little bit of a microfiber towel or any type of dirty towel that you have. Clean up all of the excess oil that's left behind. Make sure everything is tightened pretty well. So here with the Kia Forte, we have the 5W20, like I said, MOBIL 1. Brand is preference, personal preference. We're going to pour here about almost all of it actually. So we're going to pour almost all of it. And then we're going to check with our dipstick to make sure that we have what we need, because we need a little bit under 5 quarts of oil, which is basically this thing right here. And then we're done with the Kia Forte oil change. I hope this video was useful. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, and I will also put all the tools that I used in this video in the description below, like the socket sizes. And like I said, this is a pretty good wrench right here for your oil filter. So this is a universal one, but again, depending on what oil change you're going to be doing on what car, these come in handy sometimes because they're tightened really hard. So you can loosen up and tighten them as good as you need. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.